How to create a voting poll in Google Forms. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Google Forms and click on search. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now enable desktop site and open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now tap on blank form. Now tap on the untitled form. Now enter the title. Now tap on settings. Now tap on responses. Now next to collect email address, tap on the option. Now you can turn it off from here. Select do not collect. Now go to questions. Now tap on the untitled question. Now now type the question. Then tap on option. Now type the option. Again, if you want to add more options, click on add option. Now add your next option. Now once you're all done, now tap on publish at the top right corner. Now tap on publish. Now tap on the copy link icon. Tap on copy. Now go to the link. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.